Early capture phrases. Number one, occasion, okay. Number two, celebrate parties equal to whole parties, parapiti chupliang. Number three, New Year's Eve, tngai chu chanem. Number four, wedding engagement, piti shopia. Number five, family reunion, tka chup chom krom krusa. Number six, meet up chup chom kania. Number seven, also closed, so le bumpet tomada. Number eight, party animal, ne chu chata piti chupliang. Number nine, house farming, piti lang.
Conversation about parties. Conversation about parties. សន្ទនាអំពីកម្មវិធីជួបជុំឬជប់លៀង
On what occasions do people in your country celebrate parties? On what occasions do people in your country celebrate parties? តើប្រជាជនក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នកប្រារព្ធពិធីជប់លៀងក្នុងឱកាសអ្វីខ្លះ? There are many occasions when people throw parties such as New Year's Eve, wedding engagements, family reunions, birthdays, etc. But sometimes people hold parties just when they meet up and want to have something fun to do. There are many occasions when the people throw parties such as New Year's Eve, wedding engagements, family reunions, birthdays, etc. But sometimes people hold parties just when they meet up and want to have something fun to do. មានឱកាសជាច្រើនដែលមនុស្សជួបលៀងដូចជាថ្ងៃចូលឆ្នាំ ពិធីភ្ជាប់ពាក្យ ពិធីជួបជុំក្រុមគ្រួសារខួបកំណើតជាដើម ប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្លះគេប្រារព្ធពិធីជប់លៀងតែពេលជួបគ្នាហើយចង់ធ្វើអ្វីមួយសប្បាយ Are you a party animal? Are you a party animal? តើអ្នកជាអ្នកចូលចិត្តពិធីជប់លៀងខ្លាំងឬ? Yes, I am. I'm crazy about going to parties. I love meeting friends, drinking and talking. Yes, I am. I'm crazy about going to parties. I love meeting friends, drinking and talking. បាទខ្ញុំជាអ្នកចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងខ្ញុំឆ្កួតនឹងការទៅជប់លៀងខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តជួបមិត្តភ័ក្តិផឹកស៊ីនិងជជែកគ្នា When do parties often start and finish? When do parties often start and finish? តើពិធីជប់លៀងច្រើនតែចាប់ផ្ដើមនិងបញ្ចប់នៅពេលណា? It depends on what kind of party it is. I believe their perfect times to have a party is in the evening from 8 to 11 p.m. It depends on what kind of party it is. I believe their perfect time to have a party is in the evening from 8 to 11 p.m. វាអាស្រ័យលើប្រភេទនៃពិធីជប់លៀងខ្ញុំជឿថាពេលវេលាដ៏ល្អឥតខ្ចោះសម្រាប់ពិធីជប់លៀងគឺនៅពេលល្ងាចចាប់ពីម៉ោង 8 ដល់ម៉ោង 11 យប់ Where are the parties thrown? Where are the parties thrown? តើកម្មវិធីត្រូវបានប្រារព្ធនៅទីណា? They are held inside or outside. Some formal events like the weddings, housewarmings are organized inside while others like family reunions and birthdays may be held outside. They are held inside or outside. Some formal events like weddings, housewarmings are organized inside while others like family reunions and birthdays may be held outside. ពិធីទាំងឡាយត្រូវបានធ្វើឡើងនៅខាងក្នុងឬខាងក្រៅព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ផ្លូវការមួយចំនួនដូចជាពិធីមង្គលការពិធីឡើងផ្ទះត្រូវបានរៀបចំនៅខាងក្នុង ខណៈដែលកម្មវិធីផ្សេងទៀតដូចជាការជួបជុំគ្រួសារនៅថ្ងៃខួបកំណើតអាចត្រូវបានធ្វើឡើងនៅខាងក្រៅ What do you usually wear when you come to a party? What do you usually wear when you come to a party? តើអ្នកតែងតែស្លៀកអ្វីពេលមកជប់លៀង I often wear casual clothes like a t-shirt and jeans if I go to informal parties and dress for formal ones. I often wear casual clothes like a t-shirt and jeans if I go to informal parties and dress for formal ones. ជារឿយៗខ្ញុំស្លៀកសម្លៀកបំពាក់ធម្មតាដូចជាអាវយឺតនិងខោ Cowboy ប្រសិនបើខ្ញុំទៅចូលរួមពិធីជប់លៀងក្រៅផ្លូវការនិងសម្លៀកបំពាក់សម្រាប់ពិធីផ្លូវការ What do people do in the parties you attended? What do people do in the parties you attended? តើមនុស្សធ្វើអ្វីនៅក្នុងពិធីជប់លៀងដែលអ្នកបានចូលរួម At the party, people talk, eat, and drink together. Some go there to find business opportunities and new partners. At a party, people talk, eat, and drink together. Some go there to find business opportunities and new partners. នៅក្នុងពិធីជប់លៀងមនុស្សជជែកគ្នាផឹកស៊ីជុំគ្នាអ្នកខ្លះទៅទីនោះដើម្បីស្វែងរកឱកាសអាជីវកម្មនិងដៃគូថ្មី Do you enjoy drinking alcohol at the parties? Do you enjoy drinking alcohol at the parties? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តផឹកស្រានៅឯពិធីជប់លៀងទេ Yes, a little beer can cheer me up. Yes, a little beer can cheer me up. បាទស្រាបៀរបន្តិចអាចលើកទឹកចិត្តខ្ញុំ Do people have to bring anything to the party? Do people have to bring anything to the party? តើមនុស្សត្រូវយកអ្វីខ្លះទៅពិធីជប់លៀងទេ It's not required, but sometimes visitors bring some gifts to show their love for the host. It's not required, but sometimes visitors bring some gifts to show their love for the host. វាមិនតម្រូវទេប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្លះអ្នកមកលេងនាំយកអំណោយមួយចំនួនដើម្បីបង្ហាញពីក្តីស្រឡាញ់របស់ពួកគេចំពោះម្ចាស់ផ្ទះ Why do people, especially the youth, love going to parties? Why do people, especially the youth, love going to parties? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាមនុស្សជាពិសេសយុវវ័យចូលចិត្តទៅជប់លៀង It's just a good way for them to chill out after a long day. It's just a good way for them to chill out after a long day. វាគ្រាន់តែជាវិធីដ៏ល្អសម្រាប់ពួកគេក្នុងការសម្រាកបន្ទាប់ពីការនឿយហត់ Study vocabulary phrases. Number 1, occasion, okay. Number 2, celebrate parties equal to whole parties ប្រារព្ធពិធីជប់លៀង Number 3, New Year's Eve ថ្ងៃចូលឆ្នាំ Number 4, wedding engagement ពិធីភ្ជាប់ពាក្យ Number 5, family reunion ការជួបជុំក្រុមគ្រួសារ Number 6, meet up ជួបជុំគ្នា Number 7, casual clothes សម្លៀកបំពាក់ធម្មតា Number 8, party animal អ្នកចូលចិត្តតែពិធីជប់លៀង Number 9, house warming ពិធីឡើងផ្ទះ Thank you.